Now we're going for the heap sort. Okay. So first let me say the properties of heap sort. First property is shape property. And second one is heap property. Coming to the shape property, so heap should be always complete binary tree. Complete binary tree means each and every element in a root should have two childs except leaf nodes. This is called complete binary tree. This is not a complete because this has only one root, so it should have two roots. This is called a complete binary tree. So coming to the shape of the heap, how it should be means complete binary tree. Each and every node should have two nodes except leaf nodes. That is the thing. And heap property, all nodes should be greater than or equal to or less than or equal to children, root nodes. All nodes either greater than or equal to or less than or equal to its children. This node means this node should be greater than or equal to this 2 or less than or equal to this 2. If it is a greater than or equal to 2 means we call as max heap. If less than or equal to means we call as min heap. This is the two properties we need to know it out. What is a heap means? It is a complete binary tree. So shape should be like this. And what is a heap property means? It may be max heap or min heap. What is a max heap means? All the elements should be greater than or equal to children. Or all the node elements should be less than or equal to its children we called as min heap. This is the properties of heap sort. Heap. So what is the working we will do means we call as working. How we will work with the heap sort means in the heap sort we have two phases. In a first phase we will construct the heap by using the elements. We will construct the heap. We need to construct a tree like this. First step. Second step is we will repeatedly eliminate the root. Once is shifted to array. Once is shifted to array. These two steps we will perform. If you perform these two steps means we can able to reach the heap sort. Okay. Let me say with an example. Consider we have the elements like 11, 2, 9, 13, 57, 25, 17. 25, 17, 193. This is the elements we have. We need to arrange these elements in an order. So what is the first step? We need to construct the heap. What is the second step? We can delete the root element. Now let's just consider a tree first. Consider this is as a binary tree. I'm just using here. I'm following this one I'm drawing. So now this diagram can be how I have used this tree respectively. So now what can be done here? Now this is the elements I have 11, 2, 9, 13, 57, 25, 17, 1, 9 and 3. This is the tree I have drawn here. Okay, this is called a binary tree. This is the array. Now the array is divided into the binary tree. Now let me build the heap. Let me build the heap for above binary tree. If you want to build a heap for binary tree means how we can build. I am taking 90. Property, all the elements should be less than or equal to root node. In such property I am taking the elements here. So all the elements here is less than equal. So these two elements are less than equal to this one. These two are less than equal to this one. These two are less than equal to this one. In such a way I have built the heap here. So what are the array elements will be here now? 90, 57, 25, 13, 11, 9, 17, 1, 2. What is the element left? 3. Am I right? So I have built the heap here. Now what I need to do? Now delete the root. Delete the root. What is that? 90. And again you build the heap. Again you build the heap. How I can build now? I will take 57 as a root now. 13 will be here. 25 will be here. 9, 17. Again the same property. The elements is less than equal to root node. Same I have built the properties here. Now what will be the array elements? 57, 13, 25, 3, 11, 9, 17, 1, 2. And the deleted element is what? 90. I have placed here. Now I need to delete what? Delete 57. So again I need to property. Element should be less than equal to all the things. So 57 will be exchanged with 2 and eliminated from the root. 57 will be exchanged with the 2 and eliminated from the root. Then what will be the tree? I will take an as 17. Left side will be 13, 11. This side will be 9, 1, 2. What is the root here? 17, 9, and here will be 13, 3, and the 11. Now what will be elements? 17, 13, 9, 3, 11, 1, 2, 25, 57, 90. I replaced here 57 and then 20. Next what I can do? I need to delete what? 17. Now I will be delete 3 with 13. 11. 3 and the 2. Here will be 9. 1. So finally now how the elements will be there? 13. 11, 9, 3, 2, 1, 17. Remaining all are same. 25, 57 and 90. I am deleting this one and I am sitting here at right side. Remaining all elements are same. I am replacing the element. Now 11. Here will be 9, 3, 1 and 2. Now I will replace the 11. So 13 will be deleted. This is the 3. Now 3 will be what? 11, 3, 9, 1, 2. 13 will be replaced here. Now 11. Now 9 will be taken as a root. 11 is done. 9 will be taken as a root. 3, 2, 1. So now what will be the array? 9, 3, 2, 1, 11, 13, 17, 25, 27, 90. Okay, now 9 is removed. 3, 1, 2. Array will be what? 3, 1, 2, 9, 11, 13, 17, 25, 57, 90. Now 3 will be removed. We have only 2 and 1. Now what will be the thing? We have 2, 1. Now array will be what? Two, 1, 3, 9, 11, 13, 17, 25, 57 and 90. Now finally 2 will be removed from the heap. So 1 is pending. So final will be what? 1, 2, 3, 9, 11, 13, 17, 25, 57, 90. So now if you see means the elements are sorted. This is called the heap sort. Here we have taken the element which is greater than all the elements. If you want descending order means you take the element which is less than all the elements means you will get the opposite direction. Like this, with the help of an heap sort, we can able to sort the elements. Once again I am just quick recap. Heap sort has two properties, shape and the heap property. Heap always should be complete tree. This is the complete tree, and all nodes should be greater than or less than. Greater than is called max heap or min heap. So how we will construct this one means we will construct the heap and repeatedly eliminate the root by shifting the array elements. Suppose this is the elements, we have drawn here the heap. Then after performing the deleting element 90, again the root will be here. Then the root 57 will be deleted. Simultaneously repeat all the steps means finally you can able to get the sorted array. This is an heap sort.